Hey everyone, welcome back to Let's Learn Tech. Today we are going to uncover one of the Excel's most underrated but super powerful formulas, the LEN formula. By the end of this video, you will not only understand LEN formula but also know how to combine it with other formulas like if, trim, right, left, and more to solve real life problems in seconds. So, what exactly is LEN? LEN stands for length. It simply counts the total number of characters in a cell, including letters, numbers, spaces, and even special characters also. So let's see one example. So for example, if in the Excel cell we type Excel tips, and then we try to find out what is the length of this character string. Let's go to it and see. So here we can see that the length of this cell content is 10. Now, when we see that the length of cell contents is 10, this is a very simple formula and it tells the length. But if we combine this formula with other formulas like if, trim, left, and some other formulas, then it becomes very powerful. So we will now go to one level more, and we'll now check it in combination with trim formula. So for checking with the trim formula, we will just add some spaces in the end of this text. And then we see that length of this text is 13. But if we use it with the trim formula, then you will be amazed to see that it shows only those contents which don't have spaces in the end. So basically, it just shows the real content in the cell, just to avoid spaces in the end. This is a very powerful trick to use when we want to do the cleaning of data. Super handy for data cleaning. So now if we want to extract the right one character of this text, but we know that in the end of the text we have some spaces. So now we will use length with trim and with right. So if we use it trim and right, then it will become even more powerful. So first we'll put right, then we will select this text and we'll put trim so that it trims all the extra characters. Then we'll put length this, because in the right formula we need to tell uh, what how many characters in the right we need to read. Length of trim A2. Okay, and then we minus length trim A2 plus 1, then it shows S. So after removing all the additional spaces in the end, it shows the right one right character of this text, whatever is contained in the cell A2. So isn't it very interesting and very useful? Now if you want to use this formula to hide some sensitive data, we can use it with the text with the formula repeat, REPT. So if we want to change it, like uh, change all the text into stars, then we will use it REPT this text, and then we will say how many number of times. We will say len this sorry we will put star, and then how many number of times. Yes. So for to know how many number of times we have to repeat it, we'll put length, and then we will put the length of this text, and then we will see that it has just hidden the data and it's just showing stars. This is very useful for showing the passwords and the credentials to if we want to hide them in some context. So with the magic of length formula in Excel, you have seen that we can use it for many different in many different contexts, and it becomes even more powerful if we use it with some other formulas like if and some vlookup and some other formulas. So, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to Learn Tech, and share this video with your Excel loving friends. And tell me in comments which length trick you are going to try first. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Thank you.